Hello, hello everyone. So we will be demoing our SQL with SQL limits and order by. So we will be creating some SQL codes that will provide an example in limits and also in order by. So first and foremost, what we need to do is to run this first cell because this will load the datasets in our session storage. So I am going to click this button to erase the status and check if our datasets are already loaded in our session storage. Okay, the next is let's run this one to set up the SQL. And then what we will be using today is SQLite for our SQL. And then pandas is needed for us to load the cities inside our SQL. So this two needs to be run first before we put some codes below. Okay, so let's run. Okay, everything looks good. Next, let's try to demo our SQL with limits and order by. So first, let's read the question. Provide the countries that are on EU. Okay, so first I will put double percent for the SQL, then select. We can use select asterisk here or just provide countries. But for this example, let's use select asterisk from countries where EU equals yes. Okay, so let's run. Okay, so you can see there are all the countries that are on EU. Now let's try to limit this one into 5 only. Okay, we can actually limit it to until 10 if we want. Okay. Next, let's provide the countries that have population more than 20 million. So again, percent SQL, select asterisk from uh, countries where uh, population is greater than equal 20. Okay, we can limit this one to 3 if we want. So it will just give us the first 3. Okay, the first one. So let's read. Provide the info of a country and city, whereas the temperature is below zero until -2. Show details in ascending order. So maybe the answer in this one is select asterisk from cities, uh, cities where mm, temperature is less than equal or greater than equal and below, and temperature is less than equal 0. Let's try. Okay, so there's no negative cities. How about how about 0? There's no city, no. So maybe let's use na lang. Uh, let's try to put here negative equal to 0. So there is one. Okay. Okay. So there is only one. So maybe let's just make this one a little bit bigger. Let's say 30. So we have a lot. How about 20? Still a lot. How about 10? Still plenty. How about 5? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 17. So let's just make it uh, temperature is around 5. So it's below 5 and temperature greater than equal to -2. So let's try. Still okay. So all right. So we're done with that. Now we wanted to use order by temperature into descending order. Descending order or sorry, ascending order. So -2 until it reaches 5. So Oulu, okay, from Finland. Next is provide the info of cities in the country of Sweden. Okay, so again, double SQL, select, provide the info of cities in the country of Sweden in the order of the highest temperature to the lowest. Okay, so next is from countries, countries where, select asterisk from countries where country equals Sweden and no more. Order by temper temperature equals order by temperature, then descending order because it's highest temperature to the lowest temperature. Temperature. What? Why? Oh, sorry. It's cities. I'm sorry. Cities. Okay. So it's in ascending order. Okay. So after this tutorial, uh, try it for yourself. Try to answer these cells for you to practice limits and orders. Thank you.